What is an object? Okay, we have created a class. This is our class. And we will give this class a sample. And this shape will refer to the class, to our class. Okay, when you see this shape, that means we are referring to our class. Okay, let us say this is a class. Okay, the object is a copy of the class. This is everything about objects. This object is a copy of that class. Okay, but what is the benefit of that? This is our object, a copy of the class. Look, the object is a copy of the class, but this copy you can edit it, you can customize it. Okay, for example, we can change the value of the first attribute or first variable that is called attribute number 1, like this. And this is the new value of the first attribute in the object only. We have edited the object, but we didn't affect the class. Okay? An object is a copy of a class, but the object is something or is a copy you can edit it, you can change it, you can customize it, and everything you do on that object will not be done on the class, only will be done on the object. Okay, but why do I have to create a copy or new copy of a class? Okay, this is our class, and let us say that this class is representing a student, and this time when I want to create a new class for each student, I will not copy the class. I will create an object or copy of the class, and it will be an object. I mean, I will not copy the class itself as a new class. I will copy the class as an object. Okay, and each object will be representing a student.